Hello again, everybody. This is my day 4 of playing this game, and I've just got a bronze prize. As you can see, the more days you play, I think consecutively, you get higher tier prizes, from paper to bronze to silver to gold. Oh, and day 8, I think you get a special platinum. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we've got. Okay, it's not showing us what we got, but hopefully it'll be something good. Okay, let's manage teams, see if we got anyone extra. We don't, and we don't have enough red stars to unlock anybody else. Oh, but we might be able to upgrade, so let's see what we can do with Sonic. No, we don't have enough rings to upgrade either. Oh, we do have some rewards to go through. So some red stars, rings, XP, red stars, rings, a flurry, maximizes number of power-ups. Okay, that sounds cool. Combo lasts a little bit longer. More rings, more XP, more rings. Okay, so sprites. Banked 25% of drop rings. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so let's now that we've opened all of that, let's see if we can go to a race. Okay, so our multiplier has just increased to 2.5. See if it increases more. Yes. Oh, okay, now we can buy tails if we get enough. If we get 70 red stars. And oh, we can now upgrade Sonic by the looks of things. So we'll hit that upgrade button. Okay. And the next upgrade requires 15 red stars. So let's go for a run.
Bring it on.
Okay, I think if we can run for long enough, eventually we get a chance to have a mini battle with the Eggman, that is. Okay, I didn't quite properly pay attention to what the mission objectives were, but I think same as last time. One of them is the dash. To dash 250 meters in total, I think. Okay, we can do this roll to attack enemies. You can do a triple roll. So it gives you a chance to attack more enemies in a row. Not sure what that does when you go through it. Okay, cool. Okay, the gyroscope's a bit off as I'm in landscape mode. It prefers to be used in portrait mode. It's getting a bit faster now. New high score, so that says I haven't really done that well before. To only just have reached it. Okay, I guess that's a good thing about collecting rings. It's not like instant death if you hit something. So I guess it might matter, it might depend on what you hit. Okay, oh, I should have done my dash. We'll do a revive. As I said, this is my new high score, so let's see if we can increase it a little further. Oh yeah, I almost forgot again to use the dash. Okay, we've dashed for 250 meters now. We've got another red star. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I think I just literally glitched through the wall then. Okay, we'll end it for this video there, and hopefully the next video I'll do a little better. And hopefully okay, we'll claim this first. Not for now. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully see you in the next video.